Still don't know what a sweet potato looks like. I'm not sure if that's one. I haven't pulled that one. It might be just another weed, but I haven't seen any other weeds that look like that. So we're gonna go ahead and not gonna pull them all. It might be one. This might not ever grow these sweet potatoes because they were store-bought sweet potatoes. And I might have planted them too deep. But I've never grown them, so I'll just keep practicing. I don't know if you can see, this is mustard. And I planted a whole bunch of seeds, and it's actually rose the dirt up out of the ground. It's crazy. But we'll see what all this stuff comes up. I planted some herbs and rosemary and all that good stuff. Tomatoes, peppers, hot peppers, peas, just stuff like that. We use the peas to eat the tops of them. Just pinch the tops off as they grow, and then I'll take those seeds this year and I'll plant them in the fall. But I guess that's everything. I'm gonna walk out here right now and we're gonna go into that beehive. I'll be back. Okay, we're all suited up, gloves and everything. This is never a good idea in this kind of weather, really. They just don't like it. I don't blame them. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a real quick look and see if we can't get in there and not pop any frames and make any noise to freak them all out. And we'll go from there. I'll be back. They're all hanging on the frame real good. They're quite aggravated me right at the moment. They're attacking the hive tool. If I can get to it, when it's cold out, your frames are a lot more sticky because of the propolis. And propolis is what, I think my phone's still running, I don't know. Yeah, they're looking, they'd sting me if they could figure out a place to. I got one on my finger right now. She's looking like she wants to. All right. I'm just going to take a quick look, ladies. Let's not all have a cow at one time. I'm just going to pop this up. Have a look. All right, can you see them in that frame right there in that cell? That's them taking care of that grub. I don't know if you can see down in there, see that grub down in there, but that's a queen cell. So that's one of the reasons they're sort of okay. Sort of. I mean, it's not freezing cold out here, but it's not, and I don't see any other ones. So that's definitely a queen cell, and there's definitely a grub in there. I don't have a lot of hope for this queen. She might, man, these guys don't like this. They are mad. They're attacking my hive tool. Nobody stung me yet. But see how they're clustered right, that's right below where that queen cell is. So they're taking care of it. Yeah, there's not a lot of bees in there. And I'll probably take another frame from out here and put in here. I haven't seen that many drones, especially in this hive over here. Doesn't mean they're not there. Doesn't mean there's not drones out there in the world, drones or male bees, that she will find. It's all luck right now. It's in the Lord's hands. If he wants this queen to be mated, she'll be mated, and in 10 days, 12 days, I should start seeing some eggs. But we'll go from there. I'm tickled that they actually got with that few of bees, there was actually enough young bees to do what they did, which is, God's pretty amazing with his little creatures. But I'll be back. All right, yesterday when I was taking the one pile and making it into a new pile, I looked across the yard and I thought I saw these stupid sap buckets full of sap. I could be wrong. We'll walk over here and look real quick. Yeah, I was wrong. And I was thinking, because we had cool weather, I looked over there and I was like, well, that looks full. Yeah, it's just these old eyes messing with me. Okay. All right, well, we got their door on. Makes it easier for me, so I just can walk out here in the morning and crank down on this handle and whoop, whoop, whoop. Up comes the door. And then at night, it's sort of rigged right at the moment, but I'll work on it. Probably need something a little bit better than just a 10-penny nail there. That nail seems to be okay. This is where all the stress is going to be. Might put a couple nails in the same spot. But yeah, I'm just going to build a little 4x4 area, and then I'm going to hook my little tunnels on it. But we'll see how it works. The third can't figure it out. He goes in, and then he runs over to this door, looks out and sees me. There he is. Now he goes back over to this door, comes out, yeah, and he's like, hey, what the heck's going on here? Now I get him some dames, a roost, his own food and water, and he can quit being such a terror. See, he wants to go over there on the outside, but he can't. It's messing with his head. That's too funny. Yeah, I'm just about done, man. He don't know what to think of it. You're outside now. You're not locked in that room. I know you want to go over there. Don't worry, I'll get some tunnels set up, and you're going to freak out when I get that done. Huh. I know you're thinking, oh, that's not a very big spot for a bunch of chickens. Well, when I have my little tunnels all set up, when I have my little chicken run set up, they'll be able to move all over this yard and go where I want them to and not get into all my stuff. Huh. Yeah. He's the biggest terror. If I put him with those other chickens, man, he just loses it. He's love on the run, man. All right, well, bee season's with us. I just got a swarm call. So I gotta head to North Cincinnati, about an hour and 15 minutes away from me. A guy sent me a picture, a pretty good sized swarm, but I'll be back when I get there, show you the swarm, and then I'll shake him in a box and show you what goes on and see if we can't get him fixed up and back to the house. Sorry, I'm driving and trying to film at the same time. Probably shouldn't be doing that. I'll be back. All right, well, the swarm was right there. I got here and it was all crazy, hectic. chaotic. So I just caught the bees real quick. The bees were in one place, and then they flew to another place. So we had to chase them down to the neighbor's yard. It was up on top of a hill. And well, anyhow, I caught them. They're in the back of the truck. When I get home, I'll show you. They're pretty nice bees.